Howdy folks, my name is Hugo, and today I'm going to be showing you my process of brewing coffee on my Bialetti Moka Pot. What you see here is my trusty digital scale and my beloved plastic cup that I use every day to measure my coffee beans. We're going to be measuring 25 grams. We're going to be splitting with my wife. I like pour overs, I like French presses, I like everything evenly, but I have a special place in my heart for Moka Pot. I got this little electric grinder on clearance. It's not perfect, but before this I was using a hand cranked grinder and I felt like a caveman grinding beans. So this is definitely a step up. This is my wonderful Moka Pot, my 6 cup Bialetti that I treasure. It's one of the best things that I own. It's very beautiful. We're going to be pouring some boiling water out of the electric kettle, and we're going to be filling it up until it hits the patented Bialetti valve. It looks like a little robot nipple. Never go over that. And slide in the coffee canister. We're going to pour in our coffee, and we want to make sure that we never pack it in because it could channel. The steam could channel and it could make a bad brew. So you just want to tap it so that it gets evened out. And remember that the aluminum it's made out of gets hot really fast. So you want a cloth to be able to spin it and twist it and get a nice seal without burning your hands. We're going to be brewing on a low medium heat. This morning I did medium and I fear it was too hot. You want to even flow, and as you can see there's a lot of bubbles in this flow, and that means that the hot air is traveling and it causes bitterness. A lot of folks don't mind this, but I prefer it without any air bubbles, but today I got a lot. This doesn't break the brew, but I just typically like to do better. It's still delicious, don't get me wrong, but when it starts sputtering you want to stop that. We're going to be pouring it into this metal pitcher so we can see the overall volume in grams. Today we brewed 245 grams. We're going to be splitting it with my wife, as I mentioned prior. I'm going to be giving myself a little more than her, as I do every morning. I do this because I'm a narcissist, and I do this because if she has too much coffee, she gets anxiety, fear, and panic. And I'm a gentleman, so I'd like to carry that load for her. I'd like to carry that anxiety and fear for her. So I'm saving her, That's why I give myself more coffee. This is her red cup, and she's going to be doing 112 grams. Off camera, I poured some cold water into my cup, turning it into an Americano. I like to sip it. I like to drink it in about 1 to 2 gulps. That's just how I do it for maximum effect. I love the way it feels when it hits my veins. It's wonderful. I love Moka Pot. I do probably like it more than all the other brewing methods. But yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.